But if you're looking to make your way to the nearest port town, fastest way is over that mountain there, assuming you don't mind hiking it.
The fog's getting thick. I can barely see the car.
This is boring.
Yeah, well, there's nothing we can do about that. No one can navigate through that soup. We'll leave when it clears.
Where are Glenn and the other sweepers?
They took a different route and are heading to the port. They need time to gather enough weapons and munitions.
So have you decided to join them or not?
I'm not going to make any decision until I find Train.
Hey, what is that?
Sounds like a windstorm.
It's the cry of the mountain. It has existed for many generations, only making itself heard on foggy nights. Legend has it the noises originate from demons fighting an epic battle.
What? They're demons?
I believe it would be in your best interest if you stayed indoors tonight.
What's that sound? Saya? Saya?
We're more similar than you'd like to think.
Saya!
Whoops! I'm so sorry I hit you. You woke up so quickly my reflexes took over. Well, drink up. It's herbal tea. Your body temperature must be low from being outside all night. The tea will not only warm you up, it'll help you go to sleep, too. I couldn't believe my eyes when I found you passed out in front of my door this morning. I actually had to drag you inside all by myself. But I was able to manage. Working in the mountains has made me really strong. Check it out. I don't like it when you stare at me. It makes me uncomfortable.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. My name is Saki.
Yeah?
Yep. So, what's your name?
I'm Train. Train Hartnett.
Train Hartnett. What a cool name. Are you an adventurer? How fun. It wasn't so smart to go through that fog. You could have been killed, especially if you're by yourself.
All I wanted to do was reach the port by this morning.
What's so special about this morning? Life isn't meant to be rushed. It'll just make you look stressed out and tired. Now drink that tea and try to get some more sleep.
And you said it's herbal tea?
That's right.
Okay, well... Yeah! Why is it so bitter?
Because it's medicine, silly. But it sure will do the trick. Why are you looking so serious? Everything's life and death with you. You really should learn to relax. I just wanted to say hi. Hurry up. Come over here.
Saya.
Hey, you. So how'd you sleep?
Wow, this place is amazing. I don't think I've ever seen so many defensive systems in one place before.
Thank you. We built it from scratch.
You said we. Are there other people living here with you?
You can say that. Watch out! Good job!
Thank you. Hey. Saki, is this a ninja training camp? Or are you just going out of your way to kill me?
I'm sorry. But a girl can never be too careful when she's living out here on her own. There's nothing quite like milk in the morning. Hey, you're giving me that creepy stare again, Train. Maybe you just can't help it because it's love at first sight.
I don't know what you're talking about. So, milk. You like it?
It's my favorite. I'd drink it all day long if I could.
How is it that you have access to milk so high up in the mountains? Do you have to make trips into town in order to get it?
When my people came here years ago, we brought all sorts of animals like cows and chickens. Actually, we brought pretty much everything we thought we might need to survive. That way, we would never have to leave the mountain.
Sounds like you came here in an ark. So then, what were you guys escaping from?
You see, that's kind of a hard question to answer. So, Train, I never gave you the grand tour. Do you want to check it out? This is the library. It was very difficult to move all of these books, but we felt it was important to keep a record of our homeland.
A record of their homeland.
This is our fruit tree. They may not look like much to live on, but they're very tasty. Want to try one? I guess that was a little big to catch in your mouth.
Heads up!
I'll wash your clothes for you.
Cool.
The weather's nice and warm today, so I'll hang it out on the line to dry, okay?
That was nice.
Sing a song unto the world, rising high the clouds unfurl, fan the flames into the past. Here now our lives will last. We'll never know the times of pain. Fall down, falls the rain. My life. Could you hear me?
It's beautiful. Where's it from?
You know, now that you mention it, I'm not really sure about that. I've been singing that song since I was a little girl. I should look it up in the library. Tasty. Aren't you gonna eat? Is there something bothering you? You seem kind of upset. Just relax and enjoy your meal.
I'm not upset, but is there something you'd like to get off your chest?
Like what?
Don't play dumb. This castle we're in, the huge library, weapons I've never seen before. And then, you keep talking about other people, yet you're the only one around.
Actually, my people have the power to see into the future. But others jealous of that power came after us. We fled.
What did you say?
We were able to escape those who came after us. And for a long, long time, we've been protecting something very special. Something very precious that we brought with us when we fled our homeland.
Is it treasure?
Mm-mm. It's more than that. It's our future.
Future? I understand. Sorry for being nosy.
Drink up. It's more of that tea you like. Wake up, Drain.
Oh man, that stuff really works. I thought they'd be dry by now. Hey, what happened?
Well, as you can see, this garden's a mess. Just doing some maintenance.
I'm not talking about the garden, Saki. I'm asking what the hell broke these trees in half.
Oh, you know, it's probably something like wild dogs.
Don't lie. There's no way dogs could be responsible for this.
I'm not. I swear there was a gigantic pack of dogs, and they look like this. But some of them are cute, and they all run around like crazy, eating everything, destroying everything, killing everything.
Why not just tell me the truth? What are you hiding out here, and who is it you're fighting? There are no others, are there? I want to help you, Saki.
We don't need your help. Now leave us alone.
You expect me to leave after seeing this?
Shut up, Train. This has nothing to do with you, so butt out.
Nothing to do with me, huh? You're positive you don't want me to help you?
That's right. Now I'd appreciate it if you'd stop bothering me and leave this mountain.
Fine, I will leave. You happy now? I'll be on my way as soon as my clothes are dry. Wait, are you sure you're gonna be all right by yourself? My offer still stands.
Thanks, but I don't want any more of my friends to die. Drink your tea. You don't want it to get cold. I've never seen this many at once.
Stupid girl. There's way too many of them for her to handle on her own. Game over. You look a little too old to be playing with dolls.
Tell me, son, are you here to protect the hand of evil?
Evil? Do you mean Saki?
I am talking about the cursed Midorigo, which she insists on protecting.
Midorigo?
It will continue growing, and once the beast matures, famine and destruction will scour the land. I beg of you, take my place and finish it off. Destroy the seed of evil with your hands or with your gun.
We were the subjects of a king who ruled a faraway land.
Really?
One day, the queen gave birth to a crown prince, her last child. But there was no celebration. The gods passed down this final judgment. They said he was born under a tainted star and would bring disaster to the people. Dispose of him quietly in the darkness. When my friends and I heard this despicable ruling, we kidnapped the prince and escaped one night. We couldn't stand by and allow the murder of a newborn baby who couldn't stand up for itself. Even if that baby is destined to destroy our kingdom one day. Here.
Wow. He's heavy.
That's how heavy the future is. He bears the weight of the happiness and sadness of every member of our kingdom. But while trying to protect his future, the lives of my friends and family were sacrificed.
Your friends are heroes. I'm sure they have no regrets for what they did. True friends will follow you into battle no matter what the consequences. These brave friends of yours sound like my kind of people.
It's been a while. Where are all your friends? Your friends. They're all waiting for you.
Saya!
Ow! What was that for? What was that for? That was for making us worry about you. Come on, man. When will you learn that going alone gets you nowhere?
He walked right into the fire again.
Brother?
I love watching a hotshot get put in his place.
All right, let's go.
Nah, I say we have ourselves a little race. Man versus machine!
Brother! Not again!
Come on, Sven, follow him. No more gas.
おろしたての黒いブーツのせいで靴ずれした右足休めて急がないで二人のリズムでこのまま歩いてく何も言わないでやがて僕らは分かり合うから今はただ抱きしめて